morning, everyone! Ready for school? I can't wait! I saved you a seat. Come on over. Hi, I'm Ava. What's your name? Welcome to class, Leo. Hey there. It's okay. Come and join us. We saved you a seat. Thanks. I'd like that. I wonder what he's thinking. Maya? Good morning, Bella. Ready for class? Morning, Alex. Yes, let's go. Wait for me. Guess what? What? Oh, I know. Hi, Maya, Zara. Hi. Bye. Go long. Yay! I got it! Guess what happened? No way! That's so funny. I think I'm gonna like it here. Good luck on your first day, sweetie. Thanks, Mom. Good morning, Leo. Good morning, Maya.
Good morning, everyone. Are we ready for today's story?
Yes, Mrs. Green.
Welcome, Leo. We're so excited to have you join our class.
Hi, Leo. Nice to meet you. Hello. Welcome, Leo. You can sit right here next to Maya. Leo's gonna sit with us. Hi, Leo. I'm Maya. Now, let's look at these 3 sentence frames. Who would like to try the first one? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Where is the treasure? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, wait, I got that wrong. Don't worry, Leo. I can help. You will? Yes. You can do it, Leo. Okay. Recess time! Finally! Let's go! Keep it up, you can do it! Yes, we did it! Move over, I want to play too! Slap, clap, slap, clap. Look, Leo's all alone. We should go say hi. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, thanks. Hello. Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name? Leo. Hi, I'm Maya. I'm Leo. Do you want to come play with us? That's okay. Watch me. It's easy. I don't know it. Just like this. Leo, come meet Zara. Hi, Leo. Over here. Hi. Hi, I'm Zara. What's your name? I'm Leo. Nice to meet you, Leo. Hi, guys. Okay, ready? Ready. Let's go. Haha, whoops, my bad. It's okay. Let's try again. Okay. Woohoo! Yay! Together! Again! Ready? Go! I have my favorite sandwich today. I have juice and a muffin. I have fruit and cookies. Let's eat. Leo, why does the water bottle have these little bumps on it?
They help you grip it better so it doesn't slip out of your hands.
Oh, that's so clever, thank you. Look at this.
Whoa, that's pizza? Amazing. I want some. Oh my goodness, that's the funniest thing you've ever said. I almost choked laughing. I think I spit out some juice. All right, class. Back to our lesson. Can anyone tell me where our friend Gus might be headed today? All right, who can tell me the answer to this one?
Me, Mrs. Green. It's a simile.
Correct, Tom. Well done.
Lily. Mrs. Green? I think the answer is 3. That's right, Lily. Excellent job. Yeah.
I think the answer is... That's a great idea. Go ahead, Maya. The answer is photosynthesis, right?
You are the best friend a person could ever ask for. Thank you. That means so much.
That was the most beautiful answer I have ever heard. Thank you, Maya.
Do you have the extra crayon? Yes, I do. Here.
You ready to go?
Yep.
Let's get ice cream.
Bye, Leo. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Natural Kenny, you're my Tony.
Nodding shot, yan in the dark, Hi, are you okay? We can play together. Let's all be friends. I hope she's in there. It's glowing. Let's go in. Let's play tag. Yes! I'm ready.